In today's video, I'm going to show you a few steps you can take to speed up your computer. Step 1. Disable startup programs. Go down to the search bar, type Run, and open the Run app. Now type config, and click OK. Go to the Startup tab, then click Open Task Manager. Here, you'll see a list of programs that launch when your computer starts. If you see anything that doesn't need to run at startup, disable it. Warning, but listen, if you're not sure about a program, don't disable it. Everything else should be disabled. Once you're done, close Task Manager. Now go back and click on the Services tab. Services are background programs that load with your PC. To make this easy, check Hide All Microsoft Services. This way you won't accidentally turn off something important. Go through the list carefully and uncheck anything you don't want starting with your computer. Warning: do not uncheck things related to your computer name, Intel, your graphics, your processor, or your memory. When you're done, click Apply, then OK. If you're asked to restart, just exit without restarting. We still have more work to do. Step 2. Clear temp files. Go to the search bar, type Run, and open the Run app. Type temp, hit OK. Press Ctrl+A to select all, then delete everything in that folder. Some files might be in use, so just skip those. Now, go to the search bar again, type Run, and open the Run app one more time. Type %temp%, click OK. Press Ctrl+A to select all, and delete everything there as well. Again, if some files are in use, just skip them. Step 3. Boost performance. Go to the search bar and type Advanced System Settings. The System Properties window will open. In the Advanced tab, under Performance, click on Settings. Here, under the Visual Effects tab, select Adjust for Best Performance. Then click Apply. Now, go to the Advanced tab again. Under Virtual Memory, click Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives. Then select Custom Size. Microsoft recommends setting virtual memory to no less than 1.5 times, and no more than 3 times, the amount of RAM you have. So adjust it according to your computer. If you're prompted to restart, just click OK without restarting. We're not done yet. Step 4. Clear storage. Go to the search bar and type Settings. On the left side panel, click System, then select Storage. Now click on Temporary Files. On the next page, click Remove Files, and confirm. This will remove all temporary files in your system. Step 5. Clear permissions. Go to the search bar and type Settings. On the left side panel, click Privacy and Security. Under Windows Permissions, click on General. Here, turn off all permissions. Now go back and select Speech. Turn off Online Speech Recognition. Go back again and select Inking and Typing Personalization. Turn off Customize Inking and Typing. Now go back and select Diagnostics and Feedback. Turn off Send Optional Diagnostic Data. And that's it. Alright guys, follow these steps and you'll speed up your computer, reduce lag, and make it run smoother.